Sekarang kita akan proses pemasangan simpang 4 atau gigi silang Vespa. Nah, ini yang lamanya, ini yang barunya. Sekarang kita akan proses pemasangannya. Halo guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya akan memberikan tutorial cara buka mesin Vespa mulai dari awal hingga akhir. Saya kedapatan ini mesin Vespa PS PX. Dalam Vespa ini gigi silangnya atau simpang 4-nya sering loncat-loncat atau pindah-pindah sendiri ketika kita mau bopor gigi. Jadi nanti ada trouble atau giginya ini tidak sesuai dengan keinginan kita. Misalnya dari 1, kalau 2 ke 3 langsung ke gigi 4 atau bisa tiba netral. Itulah kendala Vespa ini. Saya akan berikan tutorial cara pemasangan simpang 4 Vespa atau gigi silangnya. Itulah langkah-langkah proses pengerjaannya.
To the sea for a getaway, car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. And we moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. Get off your seat, clap your hands to the beat. Grab your champagne glass tonight. We toast to freedom in the Caribbean, yeah, in the Caribbean, yeah. Dance, 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 smoke, smoke, smoke. Fire it up, let our lanterns paint the night sky red. Paint the night sky red, yeah, yeah. We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our
Saya menggunakan alat ini untuk menarik stop bagian dalam dan menggunakan kanabol.
yeah. I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow, call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love, still gonna die for what I love, still gonna try, I won't give up, still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret, cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no.
Sekarang kita akan proses pemasangan simpang 4 atau di silang Vespa. Nah, ini yang lamanya, dan ini yang barunya. Sekarang kita akan proses pemasangannya. Cara pemasangannya, yang ada yang bulat ini kita masukkan ke sini ke dalam. Setelah itu kita putar kayak gini, nanti dia pas cara pemasangannya.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions. They blocking your vision, but no, you can't listen. That shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're driven.
There's no way that you make it. And maybe you could fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. You're just gonna take that. Don't really fucking fight that.
Itulah hasil penampakan Vespa yang telah saya bongkar tadi, mulai dari awal sampai akhirnya. Semoga ada manfaat dan gunanya bagi anak-anak kita share. Jangan lupa like, comment, dan subscribe supaya saya lebih bersemangat lagi untuk membuat tutorial selanjutnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.